Thanks to this magic amulet, you don't have to eat through your mouth anymore. The amulet of stigmata puts mouths in the little palms of your hands.
A gash in your hand.
Please use a different word.
No, please keep going, cuckold.
You don't have to lean over and like steal a bite off of somebody's fork. You can just fucking grab it.
Yeah.
Shoplifting from Bulk Barn is so easy.
I like the idea that like in every bulk barn across the nation, there's just a photo of you on the wall. Like, do not let this person in, because you're just going in like
The Human Hoover just being like...